In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt, invoice, from Booking.com. Before we dive in, a quick note. The word receipt can mean a few different things, like a payment receipt, a formal invoice for accounting, or a tax document, and what you can get depends on how and where you booked. With that in mind, here's the simplest path to getting what you need. Start with your booking confirmation email. When you make a reservation, Booking.com sends a confirmation that usually includes a full cost breakdown with room rate, taxes, and fees. For many travelers, that email serves as proof of payment, even though it may not be a formal invoice. Save it as a PDF or take a clear screenshot, and check your spam or promotions folder if you can't find it. Next, log into your Booking.com account on the website or app, and go to My Bookings or Trips. Open the specific reservation and look for sections labeled Payment Details or Price Breakdown. These show what was charged and can often be used as documentation for expenses. If you paid at the property rather than online, you'll likely see a summary rather than a payment receipt, which is normal. If you need a formal invoice, contact the property directly. Booking.com doesn't issue invoices for accommodations. The hotel or host is responsible for that. Use the Contact the Property link inside your reservation to request an invoice. If you need business details on it, provide the legal name, address, and any required tax numbers, and ask for a PDF copy for your records. Some properties only issue invoices at check-in or check-out, so it's worth asking in advance. If you're booking through Booking.com for business, check your business account for available receipts or invoicing options. Some companies also use third-party tools, such as Get My Invoices, to automatically fetch receipts from Booking.com. If you go that route, make sure it aligns with your company policy and verify the imported documents for accuracy. If you still can't get what you need, contact Booking.com customer service through the Help Center and ask for assistance with documentation. Have your booking confirmation number ready so they can pull up your reservation quickly. They may provide a payment confirmation or guide you on how to get the invoice from the property. That's it. Start with your confirmation email, check your account for price and payment details, request a formal invoice from the property if needed, use business tools when applicable, and reach out to Booking.com support if you hit a dead end.